Promethean Remote allows you to access your board from any place in your classroom. Here are the options you have on this remote.
Here we have Instant Power On, Navigate and Select. Use the arrows to navigate to the option of your choice and the middle button to select. Return to the most recently used app. Promethean Unified Menu. Use to access your applications. Freeze. Use to freeze the current image on the screen. No Touch. Use to disable the touch function on your panel. Volume buttons. Source. Use to switch to any device connected to your ActivPanel. Settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.